What up, everybody? I don't know how well this new mic setup really works, but we shall see. So I'm on the GoPro Hero 8 today, kind of testing out the Purple Panda. So I can put a dead cat on it. I don't know. We'll see how everything works out. I had to really adjust a lot of the things that were on here, and so I don't know. Well, we shall see. I got the Ulanzi, I think it was the G8-5. I think this is a vlogging kit that I got. Unfortunately, I will not be using it. Number one, because it adds so much weight to my helmet, you know, onto the camera and stuff. And so that's not really something that I wanted to do. So I'm not going to return it, but I am going to use it for some other things. So who knows? We shall see. I am out with the kiddo today. Got the little one with me. We just went on a daddy-daughter date, got some ice cream, and now we're headed back towards the house. We are currently in the middle of painting the entire house. We just got done with my office yesterday. Took us two gallons, 2 coats of paint. Yeah, man, that stuff was thick. It was nice, it was good. So my office looks pretty good. I think I did a time lapse on it. We shall see. Yeah, so my office, I guess, turned out pretty nice. And you know, I'll have to show you a finished product, but basically painting it was a beast. Getting everything torn down, sanding the walls, because we have a lot of imperfections in our on the current walls. You know, when they built our house, they didn't really do a whole lot, and so yeah, there was a lot of mess ups and some other things that we had to do. So wasn't too bad. Anyways, I just wanted to do a quick little video, kind of tell you about my day and how's it going. We out riding. Day's going great. It's like 80 something degrees and it is hotter than a mug. The car behind us is really close because I can hear its fan. It's an Audi. It's hot. Bless you. Sorry, earphone users. But anyways, I hope you guys liked today's video. Woo. If you guys would so kindly hit that like button, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe. I'll be posting more videos here over the summer months as everything gets a little hotter, a little warmer. Returning back to work tomorrow, so you know how that goes. Go back to work, you know, telework. Oh, another thing, I start school tomorrow. Full Sail University, cinematography, bachelor's. If you're ever interested in getting your cinematography degree, anything in the digital arts, film, audio, music production, anything like that, Full Sail University has a great program. And a lot of it can be done online, or if you choose, you can go down and see their campus down in Orlando, Florida, where a famous moto vlogger is. I shall not say his name because I think I say it every time in every video, but Orlando has a lot of moto vloggers, and you know, they all meet up down there. So if you like Full Sail University, you guys go hit them up, hit their page, like them, subscribe to them, get involved in your communities. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good one. I'll catch you later. Deuces.